After this video, you will know exactly what an IUL is and how you can use an IUL policy to have your money making money, as well as other things. If you're seeing this video, then you've probably been hearing about these mysterious accounts. Maybe of this girl, or Waka, or this guy on stage.
What does it all mean, Basil?
IUL stands for Indexed Universal Life. It's a permanent life insurance policy that grows based on your contributions as well as the performance of a market index like the S&P 500. The money that you pay in after cost of insurance and fees then goes into your cash value. When a market goes up, so does the interest earned on your account and is credited to your cash value. When the market goes down, nothing happens. Your account stays the same as it was the year before. Your premiums are flexible and are based on your goals and the type of growth that you want to see. So you decide. But about 10 times your age in monthly premiums is a good place to start. Typically, people use these for supplemental retirement or the be your own bank concept because money taken from the policy in the form of a loan can be used tax-free and does not count as earned income, therefore not affecting your income tax bracket or your Social Security. And this is also a great way to save for your child's future, whether that's college or their own retirement. So if there's anything at all that you need me to clear up, drop a question in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer all of them.